Jai Hind students, today we are going to discuss two more questions from exercise 8.1 of NCERT. Question number 10. In this question, it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram in which BD is the diagonal and AP is drawn perpendicular to BD and CQ is also drawn perpendicular to BD, and we have to prove first triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD and second AP is equal to CQ. So let us prove it. First part we will prove in triangles APB and CQD we have. So let us mark these two triangles, set these two triangles APB and CQD. In these two triangles, angle APB is equal to angle CQD because both equal to 90 degree, since each equals to 90 degree. Then these two angles are also equal, namely ABP. ABP angle is equal to CDQ. ABP angle is equal to CDQ because alternate interior angles, and this AB and CD they are equal. AB and CD they are equal because opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So therefore in this parallelogram AB is equal to CD. So therefore by angle side these two triangles are congruent. So APB congruent to triangle CQD by angle side. Now second part, since these two triangles APB congruent to triangle CQD proved above, so we can say by CPCT AP is equal to CQ by CPCT. So the question number 10 is proved. Now question number 12 we will do, which is very important. Question number 12. In this question, one trapezium given ABCD. In which AD is equal to BC given. Now we have to prove first angle A is equal to angle B, second angle C is equal to angle D, third triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD, and fourth diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So first we are going to prove angle A is equal to angle B and then angle C is equal to angle D, and for that we need construction. So from C we will draw a line which is parallel to this DA. Suppose this is E. So from C is drawn parallel to DA, meeting AB produced at E. And now let us mark these angles. This is suppose angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this is angle 5, and this is angle 6. Now in proof, first part, since AB is parallel to DC, it is given. So we can say it is parallel given. So we can say it's extended. It is extended up to E. So we can say AE parallel to DC. Since AB is produced to E. Since AB is produced to E, so we can say AE is parallel to DC. Also, by construction, CE is parallel to DA. By construction, so therefore we can say in quadrilateral AECD, AE parallel to DC and CE parallel to DA. Therefore, so we can say both pairs of its opposite sides are parallel. So we can say AECD is a parallelogram because both pairs of opposite sides of AECD are parallel. And now when it is a parallelogram, we can say its opposite sides must be equal. So we can say this AD must be equal to EC. Therefore we can say AD is equal to EC. Opposite sides of parallelogram AECD. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, so AD is equal to EC. But it is given in the question AD is equal to BC. It is given in the question, so we can say therefore EC is equal to BC. And when EC and BC they are equal, so in this triangle CB, so therefore in triangle CBE, EC is equal to BC, proved above. And when EC and BC they are equal, so their opposite angles must be equal. So we can say angle 1 must be equal to angle 2. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. We know this, that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle, are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Suppose this is result 1. Now angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because since AECD is a parallelogram, so angle 1 and angle 3 they are consecutive angles, so their sum must be 180. So we can say co-interior angles reason. And not only that, angle 2 plus angle 4 is also 180 degree. Sum of these two angles 2 and 4 is also 180 degree because they are linear pair of angles. Now from second and third, so therefore from 2 and 3 we get, in these two we can see their right hand sides are equal, so therefore their left hand sides must be equal. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4, and already we have proved angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so in place of angle 1 we can put angle 2. So angle 2 plus 4 using 1. So angle 2 cancel from both the sides, so angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That means we can say angle A is equal to angle B, and it is proved. Second, now we have to prove angle C is equal to angle D, and for that we can say angle 2 is equal to angle 5 because alternate interior angles. Suppose this is fourth relation, or directly we can write but angle 1 is equal to angle 2, already proved. Therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 5, but again angle 1 is equal to angle 6 because these two are opposite angles of the parallelogram. Since opposite angles of parallelogram AECD, so these two are opposite angles of parallelogram AECD, so they must be equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5, again angle 1 is equal to angle 6. So from these two we can say angle 5 and angle 6 they are equal. And when angle 5 and angle 6 equal, that means we can say angle C is equal to angle D. And now third part we have to prove, part 3. We have to prove triangle ABC and BAD. So ABC and BAD, so let us join these two diagonals ABC and BAD. So let us remove this, we don't need this now. ABC and BAD, let us remove this also. So in triangles ABC and BAD we have this AD is equal to BC, or we can write first angle is ABC, so BAD angle or ABC angle, first angle is ABC, so angle ABC is equal to BAD. That already we have proved. That BAC angle, this angle A and B both are equal, already we have proved. And angle B, angle A means BAD and angle B means ABC, these two are equal, and AB is equal to BA, that is common. And not only that, this BC and AD they are equal given So therefore we can say triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD by side, angle, and then side. By side, angle, side, they are congruent, and that is proved. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. Now fourth part, since triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD proved above, so we can say by CPCT AC is equal to BD by CPCT, and AC means the diagonal AC of the trapezium. Therefore diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD, and it is proved.